Shemai, hello and welcome to Chepstow Town. Welcome to the Euro 2020's last 16. It's about an hour before kick-off. Don't know why I was looking at my wrist. I haven't got a watch on. That's how nervous I am. My goodness. But listen, we've been here for a really good reason, because fans have been back into domestic Welsh football for the first time since March 2020. So we captured that earlier in a game against Cumbran Celtic. That'll be out later on this week on the FAW channels. But Caitlin, now it's the big one.
It's the big one, isn't it? Round of 16, there's a lot up for grabs. Place in the quarterfinals, that's a huge deal for Wales. Little old Wales, as everyone likes to call us. We're excited. I think we're just about ready. Very nervous. We know you're going to be watching from home, bars across the country, and a few lucky ones that are actually able to be out there. I'm raring to go.
You're ready to go in?
I'm so ready, yeah.
She's been ready all day, to be fair. She's been absolutely pumped. I've got the lucky shirt on. I think we better just get in there.
Get it done.
See how it happens. Come on, Wales.
Flags at the home, we hang them up inside both Baku and Rome. And the heart of Bale is an area the size of Wales.
Dan, first of all, how are you feeling? Are you feeling confident? I've been nervous, I've been stressed all day.
I think Wales will do all right, to be fair. Denmark have looked sharp. I think it was a bit like every other country sort of got with Denmark after the whole Christian Eriksen thing, and it was sort of like, rather than football, it was like compassion and like humanity, you know what I mean? And but I think Wales can do them today. I think if they take the form from the last game, they've done well in the last tournament, so they'll have confidence from that.
Dan, how confident are you? What are you feeling? Are you thinking Kiefer Moore is going to score today?
Well, I'll be honest, we're still living off the last Euros. I mean, you know, Belgium game, you know, the old Robson Kanu turn and goal. We've seen in Butte Park, I was there, points were going everywhere, so we're still living off that. Listen to the fans there, I'm not sure if we can get that in, but we're confident.
This is for a spot in the quarterfinals of the Euros. 2016 was obviously a great year, but we want to progress, we want to kick on, don't we? That's huge for little old Wales, isn't it?
Absolutely massive. If we can do that again and get anywhere near how we done last time after beating Belgium, I think it'll be absolutely amazing. Like you say, all these small football clubs, they just bring everyone together, and the whole of Wales then will be absolutely buzzing tonight.
How did Denmark turn that screw?
I think we started really well. Gareth Bale went through with a few chances, and then
I thought he scored.
Yeah, I know, so close, but Denmark just took their chances. Their goal was outstanding, and yeah, we just got to bounce back half time now. We start early, get an early goal, we're back in. That first goal is so important, and yeah.
From these pages, many dreams were forged. The team in their program named 11 lads who shook the world. John Charles, superstar. We all knew we could go far. We were there, we were there, we were there, we were there. All Wales was silenced the day Pele broke our hearts. The spirit of
Listen, sometimes you have days like that, don't you? You sometimes have days like that.
You do, and today was one of those days. Sometimes everything goes wrong. Slightly deflated right now, very tough to take. Denmark just looked unbelievable as well, so credit to them. But I think we can be proud overall of the tournament.
Yeah, I think so. I'll be honest, that's why I was a negative Nancy beforehand, because it was like, you know, you just protect your heart, you know? But listen, thank you so much for watching along with our FC CYMRU Euros tour. We're probably not done yet. I think we will be back to wrap up everything. We can't think about that right now. But I think overall, as Caitlin said, we are proud of what has been achieved in this tournament, and as always, proud of this.
We are the spirit of 58.